Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bath products is probably one of the most underrated forms of self-care. Imagine sinking into a warm bath, surrounded by soothing scents and gentle bubbles, pure bliss, right? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of bath products, exploring everything from luxurious bath bombs and fragrant essential oils to creamy bubble baths and calming bath salts. Get ready to transform your ordinary bath into an extraordinary spa-like experience. Number 5. Life Around 2 Angels Bath Bombs Gift Set. These bath bombs are uniquely handcrafted. They are functional and relaxing, perfect for a spa-like experience. Made in California, USA, these bath bombs use premium natural ingredients. They fizz with colors but won't stain your tub. Formulated for normal and dry skin, these bath bombs offer therapeutic and moisturizing benefits. They will leave your skin feeling refreshed. This bath bomb set is a perfect gift idea for various occasions. It's great for birthdays, Mother's Day, or just to show someone you care. Each bath bomb is individually wrapped, making it ideal for party favors or wedding gifts. It's a thoughtful present for anyone. What we like. These bath bombs are handcrafted in the USA with natural ingredients, ensuring a fizzy, colorful, and skin-loving experience. They are designed to moisturize and soothe dry skin. If you are looking for a thoughtful gift for someone special, this set is an excellent choice, offering a spa-like experience at home. What people say. The bath bombs have a lovely scent. The bath bombs create beautiful colors in the water. The set includes a variety of scents and products. Number 4. Bloom Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. This bloom tube features a blend of eucalyptus and mint, citrus, lavender, jasmine, bergamot, and chamomile essential oils. It's a perfect gift for birthdays, offering a refreshing and natural spa experience. These shower steamers last longer than typical ones, making them a must-have for anyone seeking natural relaxation. They are ideal for bridal, self-care, or new mom gifts. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for teacher appreciation, dad gifts, guest bathroom accessories, and postpartum essentials for women. Compact and convenient, they are travel must-haves for on-the-go relaxation. Perfect for college students, graduation gifts, or unique spa gifts. Spoil your sweetheart on Christmas, or give it as a stocking stuffer. It's also great for engagement, couples, or best friend birthdays. These shower steamers are the ultimate choice for relaxing gifts. What we like. These shower steamers offer a deluxe home spa experience with a blend of essential oils like eucalyptus and mint. They are designed to melt away stress and fatigue. If you are looking for a convenient way to relax and rejuvenate in the shower, this is a perfect choice, especially for those who enjoy aromatherapy. What people say. Using these scent rounds is incredibly easy. Just rip open the packet, set the scent round in the floor of your shower, and let your nose be filled with the pleasant aroma. The scent round dissolves completely and leaves no residue, so it's not slippery afterwards and there's no safety concerns for children or pets. They have real lavender oil in them, so the scent is fragrant but not overpowering. One tablet can last up to 2 to 3 showers, making this product a bargain. Number 3. INTEYE Bath Bombs Gift Set, perfect for everyone. Introducing the INTEYE Bath Bombs Gift Set, a perfect treat for anyone. This set includes 24 handmade fizzies, each designed to transform your bath into a luxurious spa experience. Inside, you'll discover 4 beautifully designed gift boxes, each containing 6 unique scents. They are perfect for any occasion, from birthdays to Mother's Day, and are ideal for women, men, and kids. Each bath bomb offers a unique sensory experience. From the refreshing ocean pearl to the soothing good night, they are all made with natural essential oils and vibrant colors. These bath bombs create a vibrant fizzing and floating effect in the water. The natural ingredients ensure a long-lasting experience without any clumping or premature foaming. Made with grapeseed oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and coconut oil, this set nourishes your skin. It moisturizes and improves skin texture, leaving it feeling silky smooth after each use. INTEYE is committed to providing premium ingredients and responsive customer care. If you have any questions, they are ready to help, with a response within 10 hours. They guarantee 100% satisfaction. What we like. This set features 24 handmade bath bombs with a variety of unique scents, packaged in elegant gift boxes. They are made with organic ingredients, moisturizing the skin. If you like a luxurious and visually appealing bath experience with a wide range of scents, this set will be a great choice. What people say. They are bright and colorful. The scents are lovely, though they are strong, so if scent is a concern for you, these may be too powerful. Each bath bomb is plastic wrapped to maintain their integrity. None in my box have been broken thus far. There are 2 layers of perforated plastic to get off each bomb. You can see the black lines on the plastic mark where the perforation is. Number 2. Body Restore Eucalyptus Shower Steamers 15-pack. These aromatherapy shower steamers dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils. They are perfect for deep relaxation and relief. Lasting longer than typical steamers, this set is a must-have for anyone wanting to relax naturally. It is ideal for self-care and makes a great gift. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for anyone who needs to unwind after a long day. Compact and convenient, these steamers are travel must-haves for on-the-go relaxation. Take them with you wherever you go to enjoy a spa-like experience. Surprise your loved ones with this ultimate choice for spa gifts. It is perfect for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion, offering stress relief for anyone. What we like. These shower steamers are infused with eucalyptus essential oils, providing a deeply relaxing and refreshing experience. They are designed to last longer than typical steamers. If you are looking for a way to relieve stress and fatigue with the invigorating scent of eucalyptus, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The eucalyptus scent is strong, in the best way, instantly transforming your shower into a relaxing, spa-like escape. The packaging is cute and the scent lasts throughout the entire shower. The smell of each pod was absolutely soothing and filled the bathroom with a calming aroma. The steamers dissolved slowly and released just the right amount of fragrance without being overpowering. Number 1. Lovery Vanilla Coconut Spa Gift Basket for Women. This spa gift basket includes everything a woman needs. It's the perfect gift, containing shower gel, bubble bath, body scrub, body oil, bath bombs, bath salt, and a luxurious bath towel. It comes beautifully packaged in a handmade basket. Close your eyes and imagine a world of beauty. The vanilla scent will soothe and invigorate your body and spirit. The rich fragrance will envelop your senses. Coconut oil has many benefits for your skin and body. Paired with vanilla, this tropical scent creates a delightful aroma. It helps revitalize and rejuvenate your skin. Every product is 100% paraben and cruelty-free. They are made with moisturizing shea butter and nourishing vitamin E, safe even on sensitive skin. You'll love it, guaranteed. It's the perfect present for any woman. Pamper the special lady in your life with this elegant gift package. It's wonderful for birthdays, holidays, and Mother's Day. Give it to your girlfriend, wife, mother, or daughter. What we like. This gift basket includes a 9-piece spa set with a delightful vanilla coconut scent, offering a complete pampering experience. It also includes a luxurious bath towel. If you are looking for a comprehensive spa gift with multiple products and a relaxing scent, this set is a great choice for a special someone. What people say. The products are high quality with lovely scents that aren't overpowering. Everything was packaged so neatly and hygienically. The vanilla coconut scent is warm, soothing, and not too overpowering, making it a great choice for both women and men. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.